As an iconic player for our own EPL team, Kathmandu Kings 11. But first, let's celebrate EPL's return after 2.5 years from September 25th to October 9th with a big round of applause. We would like to thank all our franchises, sponsors, international partners, players, media, and our fans for their patient support. Indeed, the wait has been tough, but in some ways a blessing in disguise, because while we were all waiting, EPL and our franchises were busy trying to best utilize this time to make sure that when we come back even stronger.
Representative of Kathmandu Kings 11 team. Ladies and gentlemen, hold your breath for what is probably the biggest buy in the history of Everest Premier League. Two names that sums up over 30 years of cricket. Once the fastest ODI centurion, and that too in his very first ODI international innings. Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause, the iconic player for Kathmandu Kings 11, Boom Boom Shahid Afridi. Boom Boom coming to Kathmandu, coming to Everest Premier League, and Boom Boom Kathmandu Kings 11. What a moment this is for Nepali cricket, for Nepali sports, for the Everest Premier League and Kathmandu Kings 11. Arguably the most popular name in world cricket, Shahid Afridi. Global sensation, not just Shahid Afridi, in the Kathmandu Kings 11 team, so that's why I told you that they're going all in this year. Sandeep Lamithane, and he has a special message about this association with Shahid Afridi and Kathmandu Kings 11. Let's have a look.
All the boys are really excited to see you here on the field, and I personally know you're going to have a great time during your visit to Nepal. Can't wait to see you joining the team and working on the field, which you always do. Take care and congratulations.
So how are you looking forward to this acquisition in your team, especially Nepal's history? It's been one of the biggest sensation. So how do you look this acquisition as?
I'm really excited. As I said in the press conference, at Kathmandu Kings 11, we have always tried to be ahead of the curve, and sports is something that I live on, especially cricket. Cricket, I used to play cricket, and I've been following cricket. I've been following EPL, IPL, and all the other cricket franchise leagues. And it has always been my dream to own one franchise league and then get the biggest superstars from around the world. So I think this is going to be an iconic moment, not only for Kathmandu Kings 11, but for EPL and for Nepal as a whole, especially during this time when globally we are going through this COVID pandemic. And Nepal is a touristic country. We depend on tourism. People like Nepal, people like Nepalese people. So I'm sure arrival of Shahid Afridi would again reinstate Nepal in globally, as a tourist-friendly country in the world.
So we have brought in one of the finest superstars in the world cricket right now. So can we say Azaguddin Matsai, we are competing with rest of the world in the attractiveness of the franchise cricket? Can we say that now are we in the race of what's in Nepal since?
I would not say we are in the race, because I don't like comparing ourselves to others. All the other different cricket franchise leagues have their own charm, At EPL, we are very unique. EPL was very unique because EPL was started when CAN was not in formation. We were blessed by ICC with all the tournaments we have had. Now we have CAN as a Cricket Association of Nepal as a full-time board, who is governing Nepalese cricket, and they've still allowed EPL to move forward. So EPL has been very unique in itself. However, I really think that now with what we are doing with EPL, what we are doing with the franchise teams, investing in a lot of good players, investing in marketing, investing in production, investing in broadcasting of our franchise tournaments. So it is definitely gonna be one of the most sorted after league in the world. Along with that, we also see a lot of good Nepalese players coming in, and Nepalese players performing well, Nepal performing well. So our vision is with EPL, Nepalese team global cricket scene ma ramro garna sakyo bhane, it would be great for the entire country.
Right. So I think we tried to do the 2020, especially this is the 2020 edition, and we tried to do it in comfort. But I think the same problem has been arising again, especially due to the another wave of pandemic, which is supposed to, or let's say, which is rumored to happen. So as an owner, it's going to be really hard for you, especially managing a team with all such big players, or let's say, economic factors, marketing factors. That's going to be really hard. So how much are you prepared for this? What is going to be a strategy in around this moment?
Abhinav, as you know, we are entrepreneurs in Nepal, right? We have thrived there when there was 16-hour load shedding every day. So what we are going through is again a very a difficult situation, not only in terms of business but in terms of life. So, but as you would see, global sports scene has like picked up. We would like to, if there's a wave again, so as an owners or as an organizer, we have discussed about maybe having a closed event, because if you see Olympics today, which is going on, is a closed event. Euro, depending on the country, it was closed somewhere with 50% occupancy. So IPL, all the other Caribbean Premier League, all the leagues are up and going on. So we will have to host this league, because sports has to go on, cricket has to go on if the country has to go on, because it'll help people heal, it'll help people bring together, and it'll help players from outside come to Nepal and let people know that Nepal is safe and open for tourism. Having said that, our government is on a vaccination drive. We hope by September 40 to 50% of our population would be vaccinated, and once that is done, then I think we should be able to entertain some crowds in the ground also.
So finally, what is your message to all the Kathmandu Kings 11 fans, or let's say to all the Nepali cricket fans?
My special message to all the Kathmandu Kings 11 and Nepalese fans is I would like you all to come in numbers into the stadium. If not, if due to COVID we are not able to do that, please be safe, cheer from the periphery of your home, but please do watch EPL, because we at Kathmandu Kings 11 and other franchises at EPL are bringing in a lot of good international exciting players, plus our Nepalese players who have given us so much in cricket. They also need your love, they also need your appreciation to keep sports and cricket going on.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Congratulations to the team. Or let's say a very important signing in Nepali cricket history. So how are you feeling as a team player, as a teammate?
Thank you very much, Abhinav. सुरुमा त अब साइद अफ्रिदी भनेको क्रिकेटको इन्टरनेसनल आइकन भनौँ, किनकि संसारभरिको सबै लिग खेलिसक्नु भएको छ र भनौँ न धेरै रेकर्डहरू ओडिआई क्रिकेट रेकर्डदेखि T20 सबै उहाँको नाममा छ, धेरै जस्तो रेकर्डहरू होइन, र उहाँलाई आफ्नो टिममा पाउनुमा धेरै खुसी लागेको छ, र अभियसली वी आर लुकिङ फरवर्ड टु प्ले विथ हिम होइन। खेल्नुभन्दा पनि उहाँबाट धेरै कुरा सिकिन्छ, ड्रेसिङ सेयर गरिन्छ होइन, उहाँको एक्सपिरियन्सहरू उहाँले सेयर गर्नुहुन्छ, कसरी खेल्नुपर्छ होइन, विकेटमा कसरी खेल्ने, रन कसरी बनाउने, सानसानो कुराहरू उहाँको डिटेल कुराहरू यदि हामीलाई सेयर गर्नुभयो भने चाहिँ सायद म लगायत नेपालको धेरै प्लेयरहरूलाई चाहिँ फाइदा पनि हुन्छ, र नट ओन्ली काठमाडौँ किङ्सलाई मात्रै अरू फ्रेन्चाइजीलाई पनि यो एउटा प्रोग्रामले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ यो साइद अफ्रिदी जुन नेपालमा आउनुभएको छ यसले चाहिँ अरू टिमलाई मोटिभेट गर्छ कि साइद अफ्रिदी जतिको एउटा ग्लोबल आइकनलाई ल्याएर चाहिँ एउटा नेपालमा खेलाउने, जसले गर्दा अहिले कुरा भएको छ स्पोर्ट्स टुरिज्म, त्यसको लागि चाहिँ हेल्प हुन्छ भन्ने मैले आशा लिएको छु।
जस्तै खेलाडीकै कन्टेक्समा कुरा गर्दाखेरि धेरै समयसम्म यो क्रिकेट जुन हाम्रो इभेन्ट थियो त्यो चिज चाहिँ पोस्टपोन हुनुपर्ने अवस्था पनि भयो। इनफ्याक्ट यो 2020 को एडिसन नै भनिन्छ एक हिसाबले, 2021 मा नै भइरहेको छ होइन। सो त्यो कारणले गर्दाखेरि खेलाडीहरूको अब धेरै विभिन्न कारणमा विभिन्न चिजहरूमा चाहिँ धेरै इफेक्ट परेको हुन सक्दछ। यो प्रकारको फ्रेन्चाइज टुर्नामेन्ट र लेट्स से यो प्रकारको टुर्नामेन्टहरू चाहिँ कन्टिन्युटी हुनु चाहिँ एकजना खेलाडीको लागि कतिको आवश्यक छ जस्तो लाग्छ?
अभियसली त्यो धेरै धेरै इम्पोर्टेन्ट छ, किनकि इभेन्टहरू जब हुन प्लेयरहरूको एउटा जुन एउटा प्लेयरहरू आउनुपर्ने हो त्यो बन्द हुन्छ कि, जसले गर्दा चाहिँ एज अ नेसनको क्रिकेट टिमलाई पनि ह्याम्पर पर्छ होइन। र भनौँ न अब क्रिकेट सुरु हुँदैछ नेपालमा, सुरु भयो फेरि बन्द भयो, आशा गरौँ अब सुरु भएपछि बन्द नहोस् होइन, किनकि संसारभरि कोभिड लागेको छ, संसारभरि स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिभिटीहरू सुरु भइसकेको छ। सायद हामीले पनि त्यो अब सिकेर हुन्छ कसरी हुन्छ इभेन्टहरूलाई चाहिँ रोक्नेतर्फ नलगाएर कसरी इभेन्टहरू चाहिँ कन्टिन्यू गर्न सकोस्, जसले गर्दा चाहिँ नयाँ प्लेयरहरू र प्लस जुन एउटा हुन्छ नि सेड्युल इभेन्टहरू चाहिँ टाइममा होस्, र यसले गर्दा चाहिँ नेपाल स्पोर्ट्सलाई र नेपाल टुरिज्म इन्डस्ट्री नेपाल खेल सबैलाई फाइदा पनि हुन्छ।
थ्याङ्क यू सो मच। मेसेज टु अल द फ्यान्स, तपाईँको फ्यान्सहरूलाई चाहिँ के भन्न चाहनुहुन्छ?
सपोर्ट गर्दै गर्नु होला सबैजना होइन। अब नि क्रिकेटमा कहिले राम्रो हुन्छ कहिले राम्रो हुँदैन होइन, पर्फर्म अनुसार टिममा हुनुहुन्छ हुनुहुन्न, नेपाल क्रिकेटलाई सपोर्ट गर्नु होला, नेपालको इपिएललाई सपोर्ट गर्नु होला, धेरै गेमहरू छ नेपालमा होइन, तपाईँको सहयोगले गर्दा नेपाल क्रिकेट माथि पुग्छ।
थ्याङ्क यू सो मच वास्तव है। स्पेसली दिस हिस्टोरिक ओकेजन होइन, इपिएलको लागि पनि एकदमै आइकोनिक छ, र आई थिङ्क इट्स वान अफ द हुन्छ नि बिगेस्ट स्टेप हुन्छ नि टेकन इन नेपाली क्रिकेट हिस्ट्री। सो हाउ यु टेकिङ इट एज स्पेसली बेनिफिटिङ इपिएल, कतिको बेनिफिट गर्छ जस्तो लाग्छ यो मुभले, यो एक्विजिसनले?
See, every year हामीले EPL चाहिँ different vision चाहिँ दिइरहेको छौँ. Of course, we have a larger vision right when we started in. But now we have started focusing on the global viewership चाहिँ EPL लाई चाहिँ हामी नेपालभन्दा बाहिर चाहिँ लगाउँ. त्यसमा हामीले म्यारोन मिडियासँग पनि साइन गरेका छौँ. So basically we are going in 155 countries EPL मा. Now to justify that viewership, you need to have some global names. And we all know that Shahid Afridi, the name he has, you know, the culture that he brings into cricket, he's basically a household name, you know, and it's been 25 years उसले इन्टरनेसनल क्रिकेटमा जुन पर्फर्म गरिरहेछ, जुन एउटा चाम उहाँले जुन फैलाउनु भएको छ, and just we wanted to capitalize that part. And when you approached him, and you know, very surprisingly that he knew about us a lot, he knew about Nepali cricket a lot, and thanks to Nepal cricket actually who won the hearts, including Afridi's heart. And he was immediately ready to come in to play the Everest Premier League for Kathmandu Kings 11.
Right. So अघि पनि मैले यो क्वेसन सोध्ने छु आई वुड लाइक टु आस्क दिस टु यु स्पेसली अब यो यस्तो प्रकारको एक्विजिसनहरूले यो प्रकारको आइकनिक खेलाडीहरूको एन्ट्रीले गर्दाखेरि क्यान वी से द्याट इपिएल इज गोइङ ट्राइङ टु लेट्स से कम्पिट विथ द इन्टरनेसनल ब्रान्ड्स अफ फ्रेन्चाइज अराउन्ड द वर्ल्ड लेट्स से आर वी इन द रेस राइट नाउ क्यान वी से द्याट
See, definitely we are a global league now, and it started from 2017 journey when we opened the doors for the foreign players and everything. But moving forward, that we are the ICC sanctioned league for the consecutively. We are going in the foreign countries for the broadcast in 155 countries. In fact, we are the best, I would say, the best franchise league among the non-test playing countries, right? Of course, we are far behind than the bigger test playing countries like IPL or the Big Bash League and the PSL or CPL. But if you see among the associates, the non-test playing countries, EPL should be the biggest one, should be the most consistent ones because of our fan following, because of our viewership, because of our clean reputation. So, you know, we are definitely on the race. And but we are we have taken the right steps to go into that race.
So त्यति भन्दा भन्दै दे आर सम हुन्छ नि कन्फ्युजनहरूले चाहिँ हुन्छ नि स्केरिङ म्याटर्स एज वेल द थर्ड वेभ इट्स रुमर टु हिट इन नेपाल र अहिले चाहिँ अब स्पेसली एमओएचले पनि एउटा चाहिँ विज्ञप्ति जारी गरिसकेको छ टु बी भेरी सेफ अबाउट एभ्रिथिङ एल्स र यो कुरामा गभर्मेन्टले पनि सायद केही रिस्ट्रिक्सन्सहरू राख्नेछन् होला सो इन दिस सिनारियो अब आई थिङ्क इट्स ओन्ली नट ओन्ली अबाउट काठमाडौँ किङ्स 11 बट रिगार्डिङ अल द ओनर्स होइन उहाँहरूलाई कन्भिन्स गर्नको लागि सायद अर्गनाइजिङ टिमको लागि पनि अरूले चाहिँ जुन एउटा एक्चुअल स्केलमा गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ इपिएल जसरी हामीले एक्चुअल स्केलमा गरिरहेको थियौँ इपिएल फुल स्केलमा भन्नुपर्छ होइन त्यो कारणले गर्दाखेरि धेरैवटा कुरामा इफेक्ट पनि परिराख्न सक्छ र एज एन अर्गनाइजर हाउ यु गोइङ टु ट्याकल दिस र फ्यान्सहरूलाई चाहिँ कसरी सम्बोधन गर्नुहुन्छ यो विषयमा कसरी हुन गइरहेको छ इपिएल यो पालि होइन यो बारेमा अलिकति
See, God forbid that we have to go through that situation. तर चाहिँ फ्युचर इज नट नोन कसैलाई पनि हामी चाहिँ धेरै ओपन माइन्डेड चाहिँ छौँ सिचुएसन कस्तो हुन्छ अबको नेक्स्ट मन्थमा नेक्स्ट 2 मन्थ्समा अहिले पनि हामीलाई थाहा छ कि इपिएल 2 महिना पछाडि छ वी होप एन्ड द गभर्मेन्ट हेज टेकन द राइट स्टेप अफ द भ्याक्सिनेसनले चाहिँ त्यो एउटा चाहिँ त्यो भ्याक्सिनेसन ड्राइभ जुन गर्नुभएको छ सबै मान्छेमा चाहिँ पुगिरहेछ पुग्दाखेरि चाहिँ एउटा जुन त्यसको डिजिजको जुन रेट छ त्यो डेफिनेटली कम हुनेछ दिस वाट वी एक्सपेक्ट बट nevertheless we are in touch with the Ministry of Health. You know, we keep knowing their latest information, latest feed about the current situation of the COVID, and if need be, like I said, I'm open-minded. We all are open-minded. If need be, we can do close the doors, behind the doors, or we can do with the crowd, with 50% crowd. That will happen. The decision will happen only closer to the event. Nothing right now. Right now, we hope that everything should fall back to normalcy, and inshallah we should get the full crowd. But like I said, this is not for granted. We will keep assessing the situation with the ministry, and then we'll take the right steps just before the event.
So finally, what is your message to all the cricket fans all around Nepal, or let's say even around the world?
See, Everest Premier League is just one step to give the Nepal the strength, the image that we carry. When we started EPL, of course we had a bigger vision to go on the global map, but Nepali cricket le and sports le jun euta country lai image dieko cha, I'm quite proud of it. Thanks to all the owners, the players, the media, the fans, that they have taken Nepal to that level. But through cricketing platform like EPL, जुन ठुलो स्टार्सहरू आइराख्नु भएको छ त्यो सबभन्दा पहिला नेपालको मायाले आउनु भएको छ, नेपाली क्रिकेटको फ्यान फलोइङ देखेर आउनु भएको छ र यस्तै यदि हामीले आफ्नो रेपुटेसनलाई क्लिन राखेर जुन हिसाबको जुन क्रेज छ त्यसलाई हामी बरकरार राख्यौँ भने हामीले रेगुलर वेमा इन्टरनेसनल म्याचेस पनि यहाँ अर्गनाइजिङ गर्न सक्छौँ, नट ओन्ली EPL बट ओन्ली द बिगर म्याचेस. For example, the World Cup matches could have happened, few matches could have happened in Nepal, in Kathmandu, like they did in Oman. We could have taken that. Infrastructure को कमीले पनि त्यो भएर हो, vision को पनि कमीले त्यो भएर हो. But हामीले चाहिँ यही एउटा चाहिँ example लिएर चाहिँ we could be attracting the bigger players, the bigger nations, the bigger event, because sports ले जुन एउटा इमेज दिन्छ कन्ट्रीको त्यो कुनै पनि प्लेटफर्मले चाहिँ दिँदैन आजको डेटमा. स्पोर्ट्स भयो, मुभिज भयो, आर्ट भयो. सो हामी त्यसमा चाहिँ लागिसकेका छौँ. वी होप टु कन्ट्रिब्युट टु नेपाल्स इमेज टु द नेक्स्ट लेभल. द्याट कुड बी विथ स्पोर्टिङ इन्डस्ट्री होस् कि टुरिज्म इन्डस्ट्री होस् कि, बट वी वान्ट टु कन्टिन्यू विथ दिस.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.